Welcome to valleytoyota.ca. You're having a look at a 2015 Toyota Sienna SE, stock number 18182. It's a new arrival here at our dealership in Chilliwack, BC, and previous clients that own this van had bought and serviced it here at our dealership and traded it for a 2018 Sienna, as they like some of the new features that were available on that van. 154,770 kilometers at the time of filming. It is accident free, and we have that Carfax report on our website if you check that out at valleytoyota.ca if you're not already there. Gives you access to that report free of charge. All in all, for a black vehicle, it shows quite well. We do have a front bumper here that's just from normal wear and tear has faded some of its color there, some of its shine, so we're going to have the bumper painted to repair that. Does need a fog light as well, which we are going to be having replaced. And we have some rock chips on the hood here that we're going to be touching up as well. Again, it's just come out of detail, and we just want to show you the van before everything's all completed, just so it was online right away for you to view. There's also a scratch on the other side here that I'm going to point out. And then all in all, it shows quite well aside from those things. And the scratch is right here. And we got a door edge here. We're gonna have to put some touch-up paint on, but all in all, it shows quite well. So we're gonna pop the back open here and give you a look. So this is an 8-seater van, and it can turn into middle captain's chairs in the middle row, and the middle seat will actually store away here as we have shown. Seats fold flat, giving you tons of space, and you can still take 6 and have plenty of space there. And we just push this button here to close the rear door. It is power sliding doors as well on both sides, which makes it super easy for access. We do also have heating and air conditioning controls here on the roof for the rear passengers. Power windows, power locks, and power mirrors on the driver's door, as well as a power driver's seat and lumbar for the driver's seat here. Well, the SE model you're looking at is the Sport Edition, aka the Swagger Wagon, and this one here is perfect for people that need to get into a minivan but not necessarily like the look of a minivan. This is definitely a sportier option. We have our AM/FM CD player here. Also has our backup camera built in. It has Bluetooth with Bluetooth audio and XM satellite radio. We have our 3-zone climate control, so we can heat one side, air condition the passenger side, or we can control the rear temp separate from the others, which is a handy feature. We have our USB and auxiliary input and heated seats for the driver and passenger seats. There's our controls on the right of the wheel to adjust through our menu controls here for our center display. And we have our steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth on-hook, off-hook here. There's our mileage, 154,770 currently on the odometer. There's more we can tell you about this 2015 Toyota Sienna SE minivan. We'd love to talk to you more about this van. If you have other questions, let us know. Or if there's something we've missed in this video you'd like us to cover, please reach out and let us know. We're in Chilliwack, BC, part of the Fraser Valley. We're an hour from Vancouver, 45 minutes from Langley, 20 minutes from the Abbotsford area. And this Sienna minivan, we'd love to discuss more with you or any of the other used cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs that we have for sale. Thanks for watching.